Ever wondered how IPTV creates magic right on your smart TV screen? Today, we're diving into how IPTV can transform your viewing experience completely. IPTV leverages your internet connection to deliver entertainment directly to your smart TV. Forget traditional broadcasting. IPTV offers an extensive library of on-demand content. With IPTV, you're no longer bound by the confines of cable or satellite options. Access live channels, movies, and series with just an internet connection and a smart TV. Wondering what it takes to set up IPTV on your smart TV? It's simpler than you think. Once set up, browse through countless channels and enjoy what you love hassle-free. Besides the vast array of content, IPTV also provides superior image quality and speed. Now you know the how, let's look at where to get the best IPTV service. Enter 2tv.store. A renowned IPTV service offering a premium streaming experience. With 2tv.store, access a menu full of exciting entertainment options at your fingertips. Why settle for less when you can have the best IPTV service today? Upgrade your entertainment game and connect with your favorites like never before. Curious to explore more? Check the links below to start your IPTV journey. Remember, with IPTV and a smart TV, your entertainment possibilities are endless.